Welcome to NHK Newsline from Tokyo. We start with breaking news out of southwestern Japan. A volcano has erupted there and a meteorological agency official is giving an update. We'll bring it to you with simultaneous translation.
I would like to explain what happened with the eruption, and we have already announced that at 3:39 p.m. today, Kirishima mountain range, Ebino Highlands, Mount Ioyama erupted, and we raised the alert level from 2 to 3 on a scale of 5. And in Kirishima mountain range, Ebino Highlands, Mount Ioyama erupted at 3:39 p.m. today, and near the crater of the volcano, we have confirmed that the cinders have fallen, and there's a risk that the volcanic activity will increase. And at 12:55 p.m. today, we issued the crater area warning, and we raised the alert level from 2 to level 3. And around in the area, within 2 kilometers from the Mount Ioyama, there could be volcanic rocks fallen, and there could be small cinders falling around the area rather than volcanic ashes. And we have already distributed materials to you, and there is an eruption warning included, and the content is the same as I have just announced. In the Miyazaki Prefecture, Ebino City, there has been a crater area warning issued, and because of the eruption occurred at 3:39, we have issued a quick report, the breaking news on the eruption, and we have the leaflet already distributed. And in the areas 2 kilometers within the crater, the crater area warning has been issued. And that concludes my explanation. We have to see what could happen.
All right, as we've been reporting, a volcano in southwestern Japan has erupted. Japan's meteorological agency says they are restricting access to Mount Ioyama. The volcano erupted on Thursday afternoon. Meteorological agency officials are warning that large rocks could fly as far as 2 kilometers. Climbers have been advised to leave the area immediately. The volcano is in the Kirishima mountain range, which straddles the border between Miyazaki and Kagoshima prefectures. An NHK crew sent this video taken from a helicopter.
I am filming this picture on a helicopter 10 kilometers away from the crater. I have filmed Mount Ioyama many times before, but this is the first time for me to see volcanic gas and smoke billowing from the crater with such great force. And there are several places where smoke is billowing out. This is the closest shot, closest possible picture I can take from the helicopter. The wind doesn't seem to be strong today at the moment, and smoke is billowing up to the sky.
The Japanese government says emergency plans are being put into action.
We set up a crisis management center at the Prime Minister's office immediately after the eruption, and we are gathering information. We advise people in the area to stay up to date with information given by the self-defense forces, as well as the media.